Just going to be taking a look at these today. So it's the MPOW MS3 True Wireless Earbuds. The MPOW MS3 True Wireless Earbud with a wireless charging case, twin and mono mode, open and connect instantly, stereo bass. I'd be very worried if it wasn't stereo bass, but not to worry. Model BH527A. Let's have a look on the back. Bluetooth 5.0, operation range 10 meters. Music talk time each earbud with full charge above 6 hours. Charging time about 2 hours. Charging voltage 5 volts 1 amp. Wireless profile HSP, HFP, A2DP and AVRCP. Let's get them open. Okay, so once we are in the box, we have got USB-C charging cable, spare buds for different sized ears, the headphones themselves, which we'll come back to, and a bit of an instruction manual. A little bit of instruction showing you power indicators, Type-C charging port, multifunction buttons, the LED indicators, talking mic, and magnetic charging connectors. And then just got a little bit of information as to what happens when you put them back in the case and take them out, and how to pair them. Just on the back, we've got instructions of how to use the functions on each of the headphones. So you press and hold on the right headphone, volume will go up. If you double tap, it'll skip a track. And on the left bud, press and hold, and then it'll reduce the volume. Double tap to skip back a track. And then we've also got play and pause off either headphone. And then round the other side of the manual, we've got what happens in an incoming call. On either bud, you can tap once to answer the call, tap once to mute, double tap to hang up, or to put them on hold for 1 second. And then you can triple tap to activate Siri, or if you have an Android device, it would be Google Assistant. And then just a little bit more instructions here of how to completely reset the earbuds. So if you're struggling to pair them up with a device, then that's the way to go. And we also get a quick operation guide, which I thought the other one was quick, but this is another guide to getting it paired and how to use it. Could be useful. And these are the headphones themselves. So we've got the indicator on the front there. Underneath we've got the charging socket, and if we just pop them open, see, so they go quite deep into the case there to charge. So just remember, these have got a microphone on them, which is quite often the case when they've got the long stem on there. So we're just going to peel the plastic off there, which just prevents them from charging while they're in the case in transit. There we go. Feel a little bit cheap, a little bit hollow, but not to worry. Let's give them a test. Quite like the subtle design of the MPOW MS3 headphones. It's very nice. Sound quality is good for this price point. Lacks a little bit of bass, but you're not going to get absolutely premium experience for such a low price point. They did run for around 6 hours as promised on the box, and it's 2 hours to recharge them, which isn't too bad. It's a lot better than some at this price point. I thought that the charging case quite subtle. It's got a nice bright LED on there when they are charging. That was lovely to see. Sound quality on phone calls reasonably good. Little bit too much latency for my liking. Not ideal for playing games, but is usable. If you're looking for a spare pair of earbuds, so if you're needing a pair just to go running or something where you're not that bothered if they get too damaged, then probably quite a good choice here. It's quite a nice touch that the case itself supports wireless charging. Unfortunately, I haven't got a wireless charger to be able to demonstrate it, but I'd imagine as long as it works, then it's a good, nice feature to have. rather than plugging in a cable every time you need to charge the case. Touch controls, very responsive. They're just in the right place at the top where you would want them to be on a set like this. So I guess in conclusion, at this price point, well worth the money. If you're going pro, don't opt for these because there's much better out there. One nice touch actually that I found with these headphones is the voice that tells you when they're pairing, connected, the power's on, was extremely clear, like abnormally clear. Normally there's a bit of on cheaper devices it's a bit kind of, it's just a beep or a bit of a robotic voice. But this was a very clear female voice, which was a nice touch. So that's pretty much it for this video. So thank you for watching and I will see you next time.